Hey guys, what's going on? It's Solano here. I just wanted to shoot this video just to kind of show you what you need to do to get started and get set up and everything with MyEcon. So I'm going to try to keep this video brief because I don't want to go too detailed, but I just want to kind of show you what you need to do, important things to get set up, and where you go to get started on getting your credit done. So once you log in, you'll see a screen like this here. It's the Business Management Center, and it's going to have all of the different things that are in here that's offered. You have the discount travel, the cashback mall that I was saying about, like if you shop online, how you can just actually come here. You basically would just click here, and then you would come and see the different categories. You can search for a particular store, and if it's online here in the system, you just would come here and shop, and you'll get cash back. So you'll see here different things that are offered cash back, cash back. So it's pretty cool. Even Walmart's in here, Priceline, Expedia. So come here first if you do shop online, and hey, get your cash back. Okay. Use the tools that you have here. Compensation. This goes over compensation. This is the income shifting membership, which is going to be the credit and all of the different things that comes with the system. Debt elimination calculator, cash flow manager. This is kind of like a cool little deal where you can set up a cash flow deal of money coming in, money being spent, money left over, so it's pretty cool in helping you keep a closer eye on your income, your expenses, and things like that. And it's kind of, when you have it in black and white in front of you, it makes you more, you're more aware of what you're spending, when you're spending money. So this kind of is a good little tool as well. But all the other stuff, the travel, like I said, discount travel. Then you're going to come here for the credit system. So you just click on that. Now, if you don't have a credit monitoring system already, then ours is a lot cheaper. Most companies, if you try to get it, they're charging you anywhere from $19.95 to $23.95 a month. Our system, and this is going to be where you're able to track your scores and monitor your scores and things like that. If something comes onto your credit or falls off, this is what you want to make sure you get. Okay. Now, if you choose and want to use the one outside, you're more than welcome, but I would say definitely use this one because it's a lot cheaper. It's for 6 months, it's $23.95. Okay. Again, the ones that I've seen, they're charging you monthly, and they're charging you $19.95 to $23.95 or more per month. Okay, so if you want to spend more money, go ahead. But if you want to save you some money, which is what this whole thing is about, then this is what you want to do. This is the credit, where you go to get your credit started. And basically, these are all the different modules. Okay, so again, the credit restoration, the credit repair, whatever you want to call it, is going to be in place to show you everything that you need to do. Okay, everything that you need to do to get your credit fixed. So all you're going to do is follow these modules step by step, and it tells you in each module what it's going to discuss. But again, it's not just about fixing your credit. It's about fixing it, maintaining it, and keeping it in good standing. And this is how this is going to work for you. Okay. Like I say, you have your letters are already done. You don't have to worry about doing the letters. Everything is there for you. I think this is the module here where the letters are, dispute letters. Yeah. So these are the dispute letters, and I'll just show you what they look like. It tells you, again, step by step, everything that you need to do, everything that's required, everything. It lets you know. Okay. dispute letter 1. Everything in red. Boom. Done. Okay? So we make everything easy for you. Dispute letter 2. Same thing. Goes out. Lets you know when. So everything's here, guys. So just follow follow the instructions, follow the steps, and if you need to go back and review something, go back and review it if you don't understand it. But it's pretty straightforward, and you want to make sure you get started on working on your credit, because this is what you want to try to use when you are telling people about this system and how it works. Now, until you actually start seeing results with your credit, anything in the groups that people have used to show that they have had progression or they've had results in their credit being credit being improved, then use that. That's why we have these groups, so that we are sharing success with each other, and we can use what we're sharing with each other while we're marketing and promoting this business. So of course, with you just getting started, someone's going to ask you, hey, did it work for you? Well, hey, I'm just getting started, but I can show you results of individuals that actually have used the service and their scores have gone up, and I can show you that information. So that is pretty much what you want to do until you start seeing your own results. Okay, don't be afraid to use something that you see that somebody shares with us. Okay, so that's that. This is the income shifting, and this is the module for the deal for income shifting, where it's going to help people fill out, just what it says, correctly fill out the W-4s. A lot of people, again, don't know how to do the W-4s, so they're doing them incorrectly. But by watching this video, following the instructions on what to do, this particular deal here has helped people get back an extra $200 or $400 or more per month on their paycheck by making sure that their W-4s are filled out correctly. So this is another powerful tool that a lot of people have been using, and you'll see people post results as well about this one. Let's see what else. And another thing too, guys, if anybody wants to purchase something separately without buying the system, they can. If somebody says, hey, I just want to buy the credit, repair system, they can do that, but all they're going to get is just the credit repair. They're not going to get any of the other products. Okay, so just make sure you understand if somebody wants to buy a particular product, then that's all they're going to get is that product. Okay, they're not going to get anything else. Okay, so now what I want to show you is where you're going to go to get your money. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on My Account. It's going to bring you to this screen here. You want to go to W-9, which mine is already done, so there's nothing to show. You're going to click on Form W-9. You're going to fill everything out and submit your W-9. Okay, that's going to be, you need to get that done. Then you're going to come to the direct deposit. This is going to be where your money, how your money is going to get direct deposited to your account. You're going to upload a copy of your ID. I've already done mine, so you won't see how it's done. But then you're going to come here also. You have two ways of getting your money direct deposited into your account. One is by doing a voided check. You're going to upload a voided check. Okay, and you're going to fill out all this information here, and then you can upload that check. If you don't want to do a check or don't have a checking account, then just go to your bank and ask them for a direct deposit form, which is going to have, like it says here, the bank's routing number and your account number, and you can upload this instead of using the voided check. Okay, so you want to make sure this is done. Put your initials, save and upload, and that's it. Okay, and then once you get that taken care of, now any commissions that you make are going to be direct deposited directly into the account that you choose. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, I didn't want to make this too long. I'm going to send different things to you again, or if you have questions about I didn't really want to get into the marketing piece of it yet, because that's a whole nother animal in itself, and I didn't really want to go into detail with that. But if you had questions about marketing or different things like that that you wanted to try, let me know. I'm going to also, of course, be sharing things with you guys as far as what I'm doing and what's worked for me. I've sent everybody, for example, my Craigslist marketing and the setup that I did that kind of got me a lot of leads. Also, if you see anything that I am using or anything that I market or anything that I promote, you're more than welcome to use whatever you see that I am promoting or marketing. If it's a video, if it's a post, if it's pics of someone's paycheck, or if it's anything, whatever you see that I do, please feel free to use that and market and promote. And the key is to stay consistent. Okay, consistency is going to be the key. And if you have questions, like everybody's not on social media as much, and that's okay, because you still can do a lot of marketing and different things like that outside of social media. Oh, let me see. Let me find. There's something else I want to show you guys. Let's see. Is this? Let's see. Okay, so this is the training. There's training videos here that you can look at on how to different things. So you want to go here. This is going to be another quick start deal. There's trainings and stuff you can go, but I'm looking for one thing in particular to show you guys. Where is it? Oh, here it is, right here in my face. Meetings and events. So this is pretty cool. So let's say if you wanted to go to a meeting or an event, or if you had someone that you wanted to go, share this opportunity with. If you go to meetings and events and you enter in your zip code or your city or state, you can see a list of meetings that they're going to have, where they're going to be, time they're going to start. People are doing these meetings, so some people charge, some people don't. It just depends on who's doing the meetings. But as you can see, perfect example, these are meetings that are happening here in my area where I live. The dates, the times. There's meetings that take place, like this one here is at 12 p.m. This was at 9 in the morning. It's just going to vary as far as your meetings. I know that sometimes they have meetings in the evening. It's just going to vary on your schedule. But if you can, try to just go to one of these meetings just to see what it's like. And to be honest, I don't like doing meetings sometimes, but I know that meetings do help, because that way you're able to network with people in your area, and you're able to find people. Because I've done it before where I've networked with people, and we end up doing some of our own meetings together. I haven't done that in a long time, because I do a lot of online marketing and online different things that I do. So I haven't really done a meeting in a long time, but I am going to try to start to get out to these meetings once a week. Again, that's just me. You're not required and don't have to do that at all. You don't have to attend any meeting whatsoever. But if you decide you do want to, or like I say, if you want to get somebody out to a meeting, then it's there for you. Again, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do it, because I don't want you to think man, I got to do meetings. You don't have to. Okay. It's just there if you just choose to. But I think that's pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I didn't want to go too long. I always said it, and I always go longer than I want to. But if you guys again have any questions about anything that I have in this video, just reach out to me. Again, get started on your credit. Get started here. Look at this quick start orientation. Make sure you do your W-9 and your direct deposit. That's first. That's the first thing that you should do before you do anything else. Okay. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to go ahead and end it. Again, if you have any questions, just look out. I'm going to be sending more stuff to you guys to help out, and let's make that money.